somewhere along the way, we picked this idea that we have to be always positive and productive, no matter what's happening. But we should be always centered, thinking about our goals, being productive, and always grateful. I tried it, as I'm sure that you did that too. But then I decided something. That things is not helping me to grow. And I decided I'm not going to wear that mask anymore. I'm not going to be positive always, all the time. I started this healing journey, like many of you, because I needed it. First, because I was studying it. And then along the way, I had my own problem, loss of a loved one, where I needed to use this method and practice it. And it helped me a lot. And I'm very grateful. But the fact is that then time passed and I started to understand there's something wrong with this method that I'm using. Not with the method itself, but the way that I'm using it. Or perhaps the way that I'm hiding myself behind it. I started to feel this pressure, this quiet pressure of being always positive. I was doing everything right. When I had a problem, I was rushing to fix it, to reframe, to visualize it away, to journal it away, to manifest it away. But more I was avoiding facing the problem, more I understood that actually it stops me from dealing the immediate little problem of life that needed my immediate attention. More I was disconnected from the reality of life. It was just like a spiritual bypass. So real positivity is not about denying your little problems. It's about trusting yourself and letting yourself to feel it. To trust yourself that you will have ability to solve it. Little problems doesn't make you less. We always have this vision of future, a perfect vision where is in this beautiful home, and full of love, understanding love, perfect vision where we are always centered and in control of everything. But the truth is, even that beautiful vision that we have unexpected bills that to be paid, dirty dishes in sink, and perhaps a confusing conversation. So I started to give myself this possibility, this freedom of sometimes not just run to fix everything and reframe it and just going back to that vision that I have. I just let myself to do nothing, to just be in that space that I don't want to fix everything at that moment. I let myself cry, eat chocolate, stare at the window, knit for a while. And that, my friend, was the moment that I find the clarity. And as a matter of fact, that moment was the moment that I could actually create a kind of space in my mind to focus on my problems and to understand how I'm going to solve them. So we cannot fake it until we make it. It's also important to live the life that we are doing it today, just to enjoy for no reason, just to be sad for no reason. As a matter of fact, these are the things that humans do. We are human. And if, like me, there was a certain point of your life that you decided that you don't want to wear that mask of positivity always, you're not alone. You're not doing something wrong. As a matter of fact, you're very courageous because you have the courage to be yourself and to be true to yourself, to enjoy the life, even with all its problems. And, I love to hear from you. Where you started to feel that way? What triggered you to take off that mask? When we share our stories, we help each other to find the clarity, to help each other to grow. And being human, not being that super visionary person, really helped me to grow, to be more comfortable, to not expect from myself too many things that I was not able to do, and just not to blame myself always that I have to do something, I have to run, because the vision is there and I don't have time to reach to it, to just see it and keep putting myself in that perfect life, a life that I don't know even what is. I don't know what is perfection. I don't need perfection. I need to live. So subscribe, share with someone who needs to take off that mask. And until next time, goodbye.